Now, as we reported earlier, several persons disobeyed the curfew order. The Kingston Western Police Division proved to be a bit of a challenge for the police. Kirk Wright was in the area.
It was like a catch me if you can game between these residents of Arnett Gardens and Jonestown and the police. Only difference, the police were simply doing their job, trying to enforce the curfew orders to keep people off the streets, which took effect at 8. These residents seen lurking here at the border of Jonestown and Arnett Gardens an hour after the curfew know the curfew is to help stop physical gathering, which lessens the likelihood of spreading the COVID-19 virus. People here in Jonestown have decided that they're not going in. They're defying the government orders to come off the streets simply because they say there's nothing inside to do, and on top of that, they're hungry and they feel being outside here will help them.
So we are look food right here now. I look food right now for eat and see there. So the road look.
But there's no food on the street.
Shop lock you now.
Then if shop locked, then you should be inside, don't
No,
you?
we hungry.
Others shared their reason for being outside, but not everyone wanted their identity revealed. But then it sounds like people just like being on the street.
It's not bedtime yet.
What time is bedtime?
Like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Gary, so not normally go in early.
If I stay until 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, will the streets be empty at that time?
Not really, but you will see one and few people, but not as much as now.
Lack of entertainment was another reason given for them defying the curfew orders. Stay inside.
Yeah, well, we go inside, nothing inside, you know. Nothing at all inside. Not even the cable station, nothing good now go on the cable where we could have said we go watch a good show or nothing. So even the cable station, them have to get in touch with them and make them know, say, boy, put on some show after 8 where at least when we're indoor, we can sit in and watch.
What about spending time with family inside?
Yeah, man, family are always, family are always there and thing, But we spend time with family, and it not have to be 8 o'clock we spend time with family. We spend time with family anytime.
No soon after the interviews, the police arrived, and then this. And while we were filming this, explosions in the distance while the police chased the people. A girl who decided not to run away was warned by the police and allowed to go, but we asked the assistant superintendent leading the team about his experience.
People, by a large extent, is complying with the Prime Minister's order. We see full compliance. We are only having a problem in this particular area where people defying those orders are on the street.
The police team left and scoured the rest of the community, but nobody except for this homeless woman was seen. Shortly after, though, the team got information of a gathering in a community in the police Kingston Western Division. They first assembled at the Darling Street Police Station to strategize. Then it was a mad rush into Tivoli Gardens where the people scattered without any being caught. Well, maybe that's because of the community's sophisticated warning system that was sounded on the site of the security forces. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.